Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Camon 18 Premier and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So first of all we have to open the keyboard, for example in the messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen and then let's enter the settings which should be at the top panel. Now let's enter the languages, and as you can see this is the list of all currently added languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on add keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards and languages from which we can choose. So as you can see we've got plenty of options to choose from. Of course you don't have to scroll just like I do right now. You can simply tap on the search icon and enter the name of the language. So after finding the language simply tap on it. Sometimes you will be able to pick the region, so just tap on the one you want to set. And here we've got the keyboard types. It depends on the language because sometimes you will have only one keyboard type and sometimes you will be able to pick from even up to 7 different keyboard types from which you can choose. At least 7 was the highest number in my case. So basically let's pretend I want this one to be applied. So let's mark it, just tap on it and untick this option because I want only one keyboard language and one keyboard layout. Of course you can mark all of them if you want to and simply tap on done. As you can see, the language has been applied to the list, so now we can go back to the keyboard and check. And basically here we will have two differences. Right now only one is visible and it is the globe icon, which is right here. So right now I am typing on the kind of English layout, and after tapping on the globe icon I can switch to the Urdu one. And right now we can also see the second difference, the spacebar. It's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using. So basically this is how to add the language to the keyboard, and now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you don't really need like 2 or 3 different languages added. So let's enter the settings. Let's tap on the languages, and here from this step we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, mark the language you want to remove. So I will remove Urdu one and tap on the trash bin icon. As you can see we've got only English left, and the keyboard should look like it was at the very beginning of this video. So we do not have the globe icon and the spacebar is empty, which simply means that we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.